Once upon a time, Gautam Buddha was traveling with his disciple Anand. They were very tired. They wanted to reach the next town before sunset. They were rushing as fast as possible. But now Buddha has become old and Anand himself is older than Buddha. They are worried perhaps they will have to stay in the forest for the night. They will not be able to reach to the nearby town before night falls. They ask an old man, a farmer who is working in his field, how far is the town? The old man says, not very far, don't be worried, it is just 2 miles at the most. You will reach there. Buddha smiles, the old man smiles. Anand could not understand what is going on. Anyways, 2 miles passed and there is no town yet. They are more tired now. An old woman is collecting wood and Anand asks her, how far is the town? The old woman says, not more than 2 miles. You are just about to reach. Don't be worried. Buddha laughs. The old woman laughs. And Anand looks at both and think, what is this laughter? And after 2 miles, still there is no town. They ask a third man again the same question and the same answer. Again Buddha and that third man looked at each other and smiled. But now Anand has started to lose his patience. He drops his bag and says, I am not going to move anymore. I am so much tired and it seems that we are never going to cross these 2 miles. 3 times we believed them, but these 2 miles are not ending. I am not able to move a step now. But one question arises in my mind. Living with Buddha for 40 years, he has learned how to live with such a man, not to ask him unnecessary questions. But he says, now if it is unnecessary or necessary, I don't care. Lord, one thing you have to tell me. Why were you laughing when that old man said, town is 2 miles far? Just 2 miles. You have not to go more than that. And again, you laughed with that old woman when she told us that town is just 2 miles away. She also smiled. And again, with the third person, the same thing happened. What was this laugh? What was transpiring between you people? You don't know them. They don't know you. Then why did you laugh, looking at each other? Please clear my curiosity. Buddha said, my dear friend, we laughed because our profession is the same. When I laughed, they also laughed. They understood that this man belongs to the same kind of profession where you have to keep people encouraged all the time. Just 2 miles. Just a little more. For my whole life, I have been doing that. I have always been telling people that just a little further, you are just about to reach. And finally, people reach. But if from the very beginning, you tell them it is 15 miles, they will drop then and there. But by crossing 2 miles and 2 miles, they will pass 200 miles. I laughed at those people because I know this village. I have visited this village before. I know it is not 2 miles. It is much more than that. But I kept quiet because you are so eager to know how far it is. I knew that we were not going to make it. But what was the harm? Those people were not lying, Anand. They were very compassionate people. They were just trying to keep you motivated. You just need few more people like them and you will reach your destination. If we observe, we will see that we live in a world where we need to keep encouraging each other all the time. Sometimes in life, we lose courage and stop there. At that time, we need someone who can push us a bit to move forward. It is not lying when you push a person to move forward once you see that they have stopped or their journey has been rough. In fact, it is encouraging. It is about empathy. It is about making someone believe in himself. Therefore, whenever you see someone giving up in life, just go to them and tell them, my friend, just go a little bit longer and you will reach your goal. If your encouragement can make someone believe in himself, then you must do it. And if we all keep encouraging each other like this, then our life will become easier and we all will be able to achieve our goal. This is Words of Wisdom Stories. Thanks for watching and keep smiling.